Hey B-Maners, welcome back to the channel. I'm here today to introduce to you the newest addition to the fleet, Team Associated RC10B7D. So let's go ahead and look through the box and see what's in there. I'm super excited to do 1/10 scale for the first time, so definitely this is going to be a fun build for me. So this looks like to be the shocks, shock shafts, springs, all that good stuff. Let's see. This is the front steering components, like the knuckles. So apparently with the B7s, they went with a whole new KPI, or for those that don't know what that is, that's kingpin inclination. But pretty much the consensus has been really good with the vehicle. It's more planted, more stable, faster, and more consistent in the turns, so that's always a plus. This looks like the battery tie downs, which is also a new system as well. Let's see, this is the steering belt cranks and your bearings. We're going to be upgrading those to the J&T ceramic bearings as soon as they're back in stock. Guys, if you hear that, can you get on that? Thanks. We got our turnbuckles and rod ends, so much smaller than the 1/8 stuff. And we got cool little plastic wing. Probably gonna have to order a few more of these with my Talbot driving. That would be breaking new body. Pretty slim. Debating if I should just do a silver bullet type theme like I did with the truck, or send it out to Smiley. Let me know your thoughts down below. We got the ball diff. So since it is on dirt, it has a wall differential. I haven't built one of these since my RC10 GT days, so dear Lord help me. Looking forward to it though. And here we have the rear hubs with the hexes. Looks like some factory team 5mm hexes in there, along with the rear drive shafts. Probably going to look into the rear carbon and the front carbon steering parts as well. Here we have the arms. Oh, sorry. Side guards. Chassis plate. This is your electronics weight, 0 degree bulkhead, which is factory team. So there are some factory team parts in here, which is always a plus. More. These are your front arms or rears. Pill inserts. Nice. Good stuff. That didn't sound good. And here's a big old bag. Rear wing mount. More factory team blue stuff. Love that stuff. Diff height inserts. The slipper pads, slipper assembly. So the Associated went with the new 5-gear transmission. And it's super low profile, super lay down. So definitely looking forward to that. Carbon fiber shock towers. Let's see. We have, what we got here? I have no idea what this is. Oh, okay. You got some black grease, some clear grease, and 30 weight silicone fluid. Got the front nose piece. Looks like 2 of them. Awesome. And then the interesting is the new Associated B7 chassis. Super nice. See all the cutouts. But the most interesting piece right here is the front part of the chassis. It's so narrow. So you have narrow front, narrow C&D pivots. So definitely looking forward to the build, and also looking forward to getting this on my local dirt track, which is Critters Hobby and Dirt Raceway. It's about 45 minutes from here. And then you got the instruction manual, tape, all that stuff. So yeah, looking forward to it, and just keep you guys updated on the build progress and first run. Thanks.